Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change name on Zoom. Here's how to change your name on Zoom. First, you need to open the Zoom web app or the desktop app, depending on your preference. Then, once you're logged in the top right corner of the Zoom homepage, go ahead and click on the profile icon. It may be your profile picture or your initials. In the drop-down menu, go ahead and select my profile. And where do you find the my profile? Just hover over your profile name and you see further options. Now click on my profile to open your profile settings. Now in your profile page, which we're about to get into shortly, you will see various personal details, including your name. Now click on the edit button that is next to your name. This is my name, so you have the edit. Now click on the edit button that is next to your name. In the edit profile section, you can modify your first name and last name in the fields. You can also modify your display name. So type in your desired name for both the first name and the last name, and as well your display name. After updating your name, scroll down to the bottom and select Save. Click on the Save button to apply the changes. If you want to change your name for just the current meeting, you can just go ahead and join the meeting. Once you join the meeting, so let's say you joined the meeting. So once you join the meeting, go ahead and click on Participants in the meeting toolbar. Hover over your name in the participant list and click on More, the three dots next to your name. Select Rename from the drop-down menu and enter the new name you want to display for the meeting and click OK to save. Changes made through the My Profile page will update your Zoom account name permanently for all future meetings. Changing your name in the participants list during the meeting only alters how your name appears for that session. Now, this will guide you through updating your name on Zoom both permanently and temporarily for your meetings. Now, you can go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.